Hi guys!
Hi guys, so for tonight we're going to eat baluts. Tito Matt's favorite.
Explain what balut is muna.
So this is balut. Usually you eat in the shell. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Yes, like that.
Put some salt.
Yes, like that. The vinegar,
Put some vinegar into the balut.
like that.
Hindi ka pa kumain.
And then
Put
sip,
some salt. Then you're going to
sip it.
sip the soup.
The juice. The soup. Juice.
Sauce.
Soup. Soup ng ano.
It's the same.
And
May makelam.
Hindi naman juice yan eh. Hihingi na ano. Hihingi ng balut.
Sarap ng balat.
yeah. This is the duck. The baby duck.
The petos.
Peaches duck.
This is very Filipino native.
Yummy.
Sumabit yung tuka.
Bigla lang ang nag-laway ng napanood ko lang yan sa TikTok. Pwede bumili ako.
And this is the most delicious part. The yellow one.
By the way, who are you?
I'm Ginger.
My beautiful ginger.
Kurt, kumain ka ng gustong kanin. May kanin.
Guys, this is not the traditional way to eat balot, but I like to
Use the spoon.
yeah.
The traditional way. You have to crack the egg
And
on your
sip it.
forehead.
And sip it. Ah! Whew!
Mahal ka naman.
Kurt, they're eating balut. Come here,
Flavor
baby.
yan, ma.
Ha?
Lima.
Ayaw niya to.
But I don't want to touch it tonight because it's so stinky ba yan? So stinky.
It's okay, Kurt.
But it's so
not allowed.
delicious and nutritious. Yun.
Yo, linaw na. Ayaw niya yan, Ja.
The duck again and the intestine.
Ayos tong vlogger ko. Go.
Mga kailan balot ka?
Tatlo siguro max sa akin.
Ako lima.
5.
Parang nakalima ako.
Dami na na.
Hindi ka nahila.
Tatlo lang busog na ako.
Siguro kakain ako niyan pagkatapos kakain ako ng matamis.
Huling kumain ako nito, yung nandito si Mate. Hindi niya binayaran. Nagbayad ng ano ko.
Kasama niyo ako nun.
Di ba? Hindi niya binayaran.
Ayun.
Tatado. Nagbayad yung pulis na yan.
Tigil pala yung berak na yan.
Bye guys.
Bye. Have a
Thank you
good
for
night.
watching. Thank you Kuya Jaja.